Hello dear friends, welcome to Atlas eForex. This is your technical analysis in video online today, July 8th, 2010 at 6:45 GMT. We start with Euro USD on 15-minute chart where the trend is moving upwards and we have a target of about 128. On the 60-minute chart, we can see that the movement of yesterday reached almost the 1618 Fibonacci at 126, close to 126.90, and we will see today's trading, so we can determine further the move. For as long as the 50 moving average supports the move of the parity, we will continue upwards. Daily chart. The daily chart, you remember, we have the descending channel and we're approaching the upper trend line. So breaking here, we see targets here, 0.382 of Fibonacci or even higher. Weekly chart. Weekly chart, we broke upwards. This is the support resistance on the week, and we succeeded to break upwards this Andrew pitchfork level. So although here we have to note the breaking of the crossing of the 50 moving average with the 200 moving average. Next pair, GBP USD. GBP USD 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart, as we said also yesterday, the channel, the ascending channel is guiding, and here we have the 50 and 200 moving average supporting the parity. On the 60-minute chart of the same pair, we can see 153 is the next target. The channels still maintained. Daily chart, we went away from the descending channel, we're moving upwards. 154.42, the 200 moving average 156. Then on the weekly chart, we can see the two moving averages, we can see the two main trend lines, we can see that this retracement, we are heading for the 0.382, so there will be 153, 156. This is on the weekly term, on the weekly chart, the targets. Next pair, USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc 30-minute chart. Well, you know, the depression of the 50 moving average continues. 60-minute chart, again the same. You see the 200 moving average going all the way straight down. One day we broke the 200 moving average. 1 week, well, here too we broke the 50 moving average. So if we should have to put down a target 104, 101, 099 to calculate the drop that it is created from this move. See, came to 0.38, correct, 2618, 0.38 going down. We see how that will react in the future. Next pair, dollar yen. Well, yesterday was a fantastic move upwards. You will be seeing eventually the dollar yen as we presented it yesterday afternoon, and so on the 60-minute chart we see again breaking the 200 moving average, and this is the daily chart. Again, we have here the resistance and supports. It was supported. That's the channel. If to be respected, we can see prices very high. And this is the week. The week is still depressed by the Andrews pitchfork and the 50 moving average. Next pair, euro pound. No much change. It was quiet. 30-minute chart, 60-minute chart, more or less the same, nothing more. Here is on the daily the effort to to get above this trend line and face the 50 moving average, and then we see higher. The weekly it's nothing new. It will take some time before we see significant changes. Euro yen is the next one on the 10-minute chart. Of course, here again we had a significant recover. The 2618 was the target we had there at the beginning of a correction. 60 minutes here, 0.78, very nice, coincides in two different time frames. Daily here we have the 50 moving average, and on the weekly we have the effort. These are the resistance and the supports. We have the effort of the parity to recover. Dow Jones, the American market, yesterday was good, had an upward move. 5-minute chart too small, nevertheless it gives us an indication. 60 minutes will definitely meet the 10,100, the value of the 200 moving average on the 60 minutes. Definitely the today trading will have this figure. You see the daily move, we have again the 50 moving average crossing the 200 downwards. We see how that will develop. Master key an eye on it. And the weekly chart, we have to face, you see, the 10,160. It is there. We have to go above here to see figures that will continue upwards. That was for the morning outlook for today. Thank you very much. We'll be seeing each other again tomorrow. Bye bye now.